Alright, we're going to be changing the lower control arm and ball joint on a 98 Ford Explorer. So basically what we're going to go ahead and do is start pulling everything off here. We got to get the whole hub off, so we're going to take the caliper off. We're going to disconnect this upper ball joint, the end link, the tie rod. Obviously this rotor's got to come off. We'll pull the axle nut here, and then from there I'll show you what you're going to do next. So basically, as you can see, everything's off. There's the spindle out of the car. Alright, so a lot of people are saying that you gotta loosen this up and adjust it or whatever, but we didn't even touch that. The way we did it, we just went ahead and pulled it out and then smacked the rod out there and put it in the new control arm. So not too bad. I'll start putting everything back together now. Alright guys, so this little pad here that might fall out during your process here, just throw that back up in there and get the bracket in here. Hold up. Go ahead and grease your ball joint or any of the other suspension if you need to. Alright, go ahead and do the lower ball joint after you do the shock, and then put the CV axle in. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and put the tire back on, double check all your bolts before you do that, make sure everything's tight, and that's pretty much it.